How to start a successful YouTube channel for your business. 500 hours of video are uploaded every single minute on YouTube. Follow these steps to start a YouTube channel. Establish your voice and channel branding. Once you have the basic setup of your YouTube channel, you'll want to make sure that you have a complete web presence to accompany it. Once you've built up your complementary web presence, you may be wondering how to make sure you've started a YouTube channel that draws attention to your brand and brings in new viewers. You'll need video equipment to start a YouTube channel. With some creativity in mind, you can even start a faceless YouTube channel using 11 Labs text-to-speech. When uploading a video, you'll be asked to fill in a title, description, and tags. Elena Joy, the Wix user behind the Compassion Revolution, publishes her new content on an organized and transparent schedule. With Wix Video, you can add a YouTube playlist directly to your site with just a few clicks. Other channels your audience watches. If you understand how your audience interacts with YouTube, you can scope out the competition or gain insights into your audience's demographics and interests. How to start a YouTube channel FAQ. If you want to create professional-looking videos, you may need to invest in a paid software program.